Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another interview questions. That question asked in Flipkart, PayPal, and Samsung in 2024 of December last month. Question is write a program to square of a number n number that can be positive and negative. We can give input from like minus and plus both of digit. And one more twist in this question is without using multiplication and divide and also power method. And this is example like we are giving like minus 3, then output should be plus 9, only a square. We avoid sign like negative sign. Now we are going to start write our logic, then we will write this code on Eclipse. Step 1, we take user input from keyboard. Then another step 2 is like always treated as positive number. Then in Java we have one method is like abs. That method is always giving a positive number. This is a on this abs function present in math class, and then we should write math.abs. Then we got like positive number. Then next step we are doing a square condition is step 3. How do we do a square like n into n, but here we can't use multiply, and we also can't use power method. Yeah, we do one thing like we can add same number in same time, like 3, then 3 plus 3, then plus 3 same time, repeating like if 3 then 3 time repeating same number and doing plus, then also we got a square. If like 4, then 4 going to 4 time, 4 then 4 then 4. Then step 3 we add for loop for moving this same thing and repeating a number, like step 3 we use for loop. Yeah, now we are going to follow this instruction and solve that problem. This is most important interview question for like any this question is not complicated. It is a tricky questions for checking mentality how your interviewer ask this type of question for checking your thinking, way of thinking, how much you think about mathematically. That's why asking this type of questions. Now we are going to move a click ID and solve that program. Now I'm creating class like a square. A square of a number and also select main method. Okay, and then finished. First, first step, we are adding a scanner. Like we can import java dot util dot data star. Now here I'm writing a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Alright, here semicolon. Scanner, this scanner is a class. This class is present in a util package. That's why we import this java util. Now we are going to store this value inside a integer. Int like number is equal to a scanner dot next int. Scanner dot next int. This is a method for storing integer value. We got system input. And then second step, we write a for loop. And I is equal to 1 and I less than n or I plus plus. Here also write one thing here, like system dot out dot println. Here like enter number. Oh, we forgot about this. We take only like positive number. Like we got enter a number positive or negative. Enter a number positive or like negative any. Okay. And here we write positive and negative. Then here math enter number should be only positive number, like p number p and o is equal to math dot abs, and here we write number. After getting positive number, we can check system dot out dot println on this your number is positive not. Now I'm going to run this program. We're checking this output is showing a positive number or not. Enter a number like positive and negative. Then I might enter -4. Yeah, here showing positive number 4. Now we are going to do shift operation about that number. We need one more variable like int or square equal to right here number, not number, positive number, p number. I write here like p number because here p number is giving like as for example we are taking input here minus 4, then it's make 4 and sq is equal to 4. Then here we can do like sq square is equal to sq plus number, and now we go to print dot out dot println after square, like here we write sq, and here number here we can write like before square, before square. Now I'm going to check, enter a number. I'm giving here -5, and then here showing square plus, oh here we are writing number, here also positive number, positive number, here also positive number. If we are giving 4, then now I'm giving a positive value, then it's showing correct answer 16. Again run this program, and here enter like -5, then showing 25. Yeah, this is the simple logic. First we convert this number in a positive, always giving a p number is always giving positive number. If you are giving negative also, then he always treated as positive. And then we create one more variable for doing a square operation, and we take one loop for repeating this same thing on or and like repeating of same number like 4, then 4 time of going this same thing. But here we didn't take if we are taking a 4, then it's go to 3 time only, because here we are starting for like same number. If 4, then 1 4 is coming by default, then we are adding 3 time more 4, then we use this condition int less than equal to less than only, less than equal less than uh, p number, positive number. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment. If you have any issues, then can you please comment me, I will resolve that issues.